border standoff between India and China. China struck a conciliatory tone. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs also has now said that the troops have taken a responsible approach to border management. Beijing's tone has changed from confrontation to cooperation, from troop build-up to talking peace. China said that the situation at the border is quote-unquote under control. But what inspired this change of heart? First, China sent thousands of soldiers at the border in the dark in the middle of a pandemic. The Ministry of External Affairs of India has claimed that New Delhi is engaged with the Chinese side to peacefully resolve the issue.
See, on developments on the LAC, I had conveyed last week that our troops have taken a very responsible approach towards border management and strictly follow the procedures laid out in various bilateral agreements and protocols with China to resolve any issue that may arise in the border areas. The two sides have established mechanisms both at military and diplomatic levels to resolve situations which may arise in border areas peacefully through dialogue. We continue to remain engaged through these channels. India is committed to the objective of maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border areas with China, and our armed forces scrupulously follow the consensus reached by our leaders and the guidance provided. At the same time, we remain firm in our resolve to ensuring India's sovereignty and national security.
While WION exclusively accessed the visuals of the army convoy proceeding towards the line of actual control, though such movement is routine under normal circumstances, it does attain some significance in light of the situation at the line of actual control. Tensions continue to simmer along the line of actual control. China is stepping up vigil and India is deploying more troops. Joining us on the broadcast this minute is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddharth Sibal, for more on that. What's the latest that you've been getting in from the Indian side on this, Siddharth?
Well, Molly, it is for the second time that India's Ministry of External Affairs has reacted on the face-off between India and China on the LAC. And remember the comments coming by the MEA just a day after the conciliatory note by the Foreign Ministry in Beijing and, of course, the Chinese envoy as well. But significantly, what India said that both sides are engaging with each other at both military and diplomatic levels, and also talked about how India is committed, in fact, reiterated that India is committed to the objective of maintenance of peace and security in the border areas, but also talking about when it comes to its national sovereignty and national security, India is committed on making sure that there is no interference on that. But by and large, we know that both sides are in talks when it comes to the situation that has at a time when the COVID crisis has emerged, the biggest threat, but also significantly the Indian spokesperson, the Indian Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson reacted on US President Donald Trump's offer of mediation between India and China. It was a terse reply. He said that India is in touch with China, clearly saying that thanks but no thanks to the US President when it comes to mediation offer. Second time, of course, the US President talked about mediation between India or some other country, because the first time we talked about mediation was between India and Pakistan, and India had clearly told US President that when it comes to bilateral relationship, India can sort out its own differences. So clearly the message is same from New Delhi when it comes to the offer, offer of the US President Donald Trump. But by and large, when it comes to the sensitive situation at the LAC, we know that the situation remains as it is in terms of the presence of the Chinese soldiers on their side of the LOC. But largely, both sides are now focusing that whatever disputes or differences have cropped up, they're resolved at the table, at the dialogue table.
All right, so the Indian side making its stance absolutely clear. We're going to leave it there for the moment, Siddharth. Thanks very much for those updates. Moving on for now, Huawei is...